Hello aspirants, this is Sai Kumar Kalakunta. This video is about APPSC Technical Assistant previous year questions. 50 questions about I am taking these 50 questions from 2011 APPSC Technical Assistant previous year paper. So move to further. First question is, optic texture is commonly found in granite. Next, second question is, natural levee is an example of floodplain deposit. Crash topography, mainly these are all basic questions. Crash topography is exhibited by everyone is know. This is the basic BSc level basic question. Limestone. Crash topography is exhibited in limestones, mostly caves and others. A fold with two hinges is called box fold. You can see like this, box fold. Okay. Next, U-shaped valleys are mostly formed by glacier. U-shaped valley. River, V-shaped means U-shaped is glacier and V-shaped valleys are river. Okay. Next, the Cenomanian transition occurred during dash period. Not Triassic, not Jurassic, not Miocene, Cretaceous. Cenomanian transition occurred during the Cretaceous period. Next, the main boundary fault separates Siwaliks and Aravallis. Okay, Siwaliks and Aravallis. The rocks of Gondwana are dash origin, lacustrine origin. Okay, Banaganapalli sandstones are dash bearing, not gold, not asbestos, not mica. Diamond bearing. Banaganapalli sandstones are diamond bearing. Okay, Muthkogetes belongs to dash period. Muthkogetes belongs to Devonian period. Okay, Muthkogetes are age of Muthkogetes are also Devonian. Sometimes ask like this, age of Muthkogetes Devonian. Muthkogetes belongs to Devonian period. Okay, the type area of Triassic period is easy question. Spiti, Triassic Spiti. Okay. Next, in Kadapa supergroup, the largest unconfirmed is between Cheyeru and Nallamale. Largest unconfirmed is between Cheyeru and Nallamale. The Archean rocks of Karnataka are called as Dharwar system. The hinge line is straight in Spirifer and Productus, but here is only one answer. Productus we can give to Productus. Okay, hinge line is straight and long and straight in Productus and Spirifer. You can give to Productus. Okay, which of the following shows sinistral coiling? Physa. Aristotle lantern is present in echinoids. Aristotle lantern is present in echinoids. Okay, not glass properties, not graptolites, not ammonoids. Echinoids. The earliest known echinoid is Myoceras. The Foraminiferous belongs to the which class? Sporozoa. Foraminifera belongs to the Sporozoa. The skeleton of graptolite is called rhabdosome. These are basic and famous bits. The attitude of bats is measured by goniometer. BSc level questions, these are all. Terroros is an example of dash deposits, residual deposit. Okay, if the older rocks are of plutonic origin, the unconformity is non-conformity. Okay, this is non-conformity. The simplest example of contour line is contour lines. Contour line is not a coastline, not a continental slope, not a continental slope, not a continental shelf. These are, you can eliminate the answer, four options. Contour line you can map. There is a contours in geological map. Contour lines are belongs to orocline. Okay, contour lines are belongs to orocline, not coastline, not continental slope, not continental shelf. Okay, next question. Sand with feldspar is called arkose. Okay, next, conglomerate is a dash rock, rhodaceous rock. Conglomerate is a rhodaceous rock. Okay, rocks rich in sodium and potassium content are called alkaline rocks. A series of parallel normal faults are called step faults. A series of normal faults are called step faults. Next question. The difference between the polar radius and the equatorial radius is 21 kilometers. 21 kilometers. An example of lamprey is an adamellite. The soda-rich basalt exhibiting pillow structure is spillite. The soda-rich basalt exhibiting pillow structure is spillite. Hyperthin has a special property is called Schillerization. Sometimes asked like this, reverse. Which mineral showing Schillerization property? Hyperthin. Okay, head of fault is 90 degrees minus dip. Is called head of fault. 50% of known crystals belongs to monoclinic system. Okay, an example of phosphatic deposit is guano, which is a non-plastic clays, fire clays. Okay, next, which metal is recovered from the cerussite? Zinc. Okay, zinc. Which metal is recovered from cerussite? Zinc. Next question. When diamond is exposed to sunlight, it exhibits phosphorescence. Okay, sphalerite is an ore of also zinc. Sphalerite is also ore of zinc. Garnet crystal is in cubic system. Garnet crystal is in dash crystal system, cubic. The mineral with variable hardness is very simple question, kyanite. Basic question. An example of double chain inosilicates is hyperthin. Refractive index of Canada-Balism is 1.54. Okay, Canada-Balism refractive index is RI. RI of Canada-Balism is 1.54. Okay, next. Big Bang theory was propounded by, see here, Allen and Laplace, Georges and Lemaitre, and Buffon and Kant and Laplace. Here is second question is Georges and Lemaitre. First proposed Big Bang theory, Georges Lemaitre. Next, developed by Georges Gamow. Okay, which of the following possesses both stellar and planetary characteristics? Jupiter. Beneath the oceans, the Moho lies at the depth of, everyone knows this answer, 10 to 12 kilometers. Moho depth in oceans 10 to 12 kilometers. The most abundant gaseous material associated with volcanic activity is water vapor. The intensity of earthquakes is measured by not Mohs scale, not GM counter, none of them. Richter scale. Richter scale is the right answer. The intensity of the earthquakes is measured by Richter scale. The global ocean accounts for nearly dash percentage of the Earth's surface. 71%. Okay, 71%. Which of the following river does not form a delta? Krishna have delta, Godavari have delta, KG basins, Krishna Godavari deltas, and Mahanadi have delta. Narmada does not form delta. Narmada river. Answer is Narmada. Thank you. I want to upload next. I want to give next series a crash course on KM Bangaru. So suggest. Okay, I am doing next class, next videos about to crash course on KM Bangaru book for rapid revision about for students, and please comment about this class, and if you have any suggestions, give me in comments, and please like and share with your friends, geology friends, and do subscribe and support me. Thank you.